Long time since I've done a poetry reading. Got some snow yesterday. Last night, as you can see behind me, we're walking out to my forest here. I've got this new contraption on my camera, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'm still learning how to manipulate it. So I don't have to hold it out and have it get all, my hands get frosty. I got gloves on, and I got my poem here. Now if y'all have watched my channel before, you've seen that I have poetry and stuff, and I've, since my well, I guess if we go back and we talk about that video where, whoa, sorry about that. I bet that freaked you out. Oh boy. I bet that was fun, huh? So anyway, I'm gonna get to it. I can only imagine what you guys see, because I don't know. Anyway, I was gonna say I did a video over by cow pasture, over by the cows over there behind me, and oh, that was funny. So it's been a while since I've done it, and I've done it only once like this before.